Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you about the natural moisturizers in your kitchen. Let's get started. Honey. Organic, raw honey is naturally antibacterial, so it's an effective acne treatment. It is a great cleanser and helps unclog pores. It's also full of antioxidants, making it a potent fighter of blemishes, irritation, aging skin and wrinkles while leaving a lovely afterglow. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 8 tablespoons of water until a paste forms. Apply to skin and allow it to dry, then gently wash off with warm water. Buttermilk. Buttermilk is rich in lactic acid, an ingredient found in many expensive skincare products. It's good at removing and breaking dead skin cells, speeding up cell rejuvenation and turnover. And new skin cells are equivalent to younger looking skin. Dip a washcloth in cold buttermilk and lay it on your face for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently rinse with lukewarm water. Olive oil. Olive oil has been used for centuries as a moisturizer. Its antioxidants and natural acids help strengthen the skin to create a natural barrier against the harmful effects of sun. Add a few tablespoons of olive oil and 2 drops of lavender essential oil to bathing water for a refreshing effect. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.